We don't scratch the wall. We do not scratch the wall. You scratch it, you fix it. You understand?
Look how excited he is about it.
Look how fat you are. You're so chubby. Look at that. Look at your big belly.
That's what I call a car accident. He found his spirit animal.
Wow, look at that. I wonder who could have made this giant mess on the ground. What a mystery.
Nice catch, little man.
Look at my baby. Look at my baby. Oh my God, she's so baby. Oh my God.
She's trying to pet him.